Okay, so here's my 3 paintings, and now here they are as copied and shrunk down. So I'm gonna, each one of them, I'm gonna do a little different. I decided the blue one, I'm gonna make it look like a super large postage stamp. So I'm just using a scallop scissor pattern and scalloping towards the inside, of course, and that kind of gives, I mean, it's not perfect, but it kind of gives that postage stamp look to the edges. Alright, and then I'm just going to take one of my card bases. These are just some red card bases I got on clearance, of course. And I have a little Merry Christmas stamp. We're going to stamp that on there. You probably don't need a blow by blow. You can see what I'm doing. And these are glue dots that I'm using. I have a bunch and they're kind of old. I should use them up. So that's what we're going to do. And I decided I wanted it kind of off-center. Just because the cutting of the edges is not perfect. I have this, it's one of those roll stamp, continuous stamp things that has postage stuff on it, so I use that at the top. Then I decided to ink it. That's optional, of course. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. See? Cute, huh? Just a simple card. Now I'll show you the next one. It's the little landscape. And this time I'm going to ink around the edges of the picture. And then glue it down. Using the glue dots again. You could use anything to adhere it, obviously. Tape runner works good. I'm just using up my old glue dots. I'm centering that, but I'm putting it kind of high because I still want to be able to fit the Merry Christmas at the bottom. Just going to go over the card just a little bit. And then ink the edges again. Super simple. You could probably, bling it up a little bit more. Alright, here's my little green tree. I was trying to decide what I could do to it, so I pulled out my bronze marker and I'm just doing the edges real thin edges, and then we're going to go along and do the edge of the card too. My images I just scanned into my computer, and then I pasted them into a Word document and shrunk them down and then printed them out. There's all kinds of ways you could do that, I guess. That way I got multiples on one page. That is also the reason they're not all exactly the same size. This time I decided to write Merry Christmas in the bronze color. There we go. See, simple as that. Here's some pictures at the end. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked this little mini project series. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.